So let's just take a moment together here. And I invite you, if you're comfortable, to close your eyes. And if that feels uncomfortable, just allow yourself to find a place on the chair or the floor in front of you and soften your gaze. And invite a softening of your breath. Allow your breath to soften and to guide. If you need to let out some deep exhales, please do so. Notice any place in your body where there might be some tension. Just allow that place to soften. And this right now, it's about awareness. It's about knowing that you are not your thoughts, that you are the one noticing them. And I invite you to be kind to yourself. Nothing needs to be forced. Whatever is ready will reveal itself. And as we deepen this inner awareness, you can ask yourself, what is mine to let go of? What is there for me to release? We're not searching for anything wrong. We're noticing what comes up as no longer serving our highest good. And when something comes up, you can simply say, I notice, I'm aware of this. And when it's clear that it no longer needs to be carried, you can write it down. I want to take a moment to honor all of you for your willingness to have a look at yourself and see what's possible. I invite you to join me in our affirmations together. I am now free from what no longer serves my highest good. I release with awareness and love. I honor the divine light in myself and in all others. I move forward unbound and aligned with truth. And so it is.